I am a pipeline inspection and maintenance worker at Xining CR Gas. My primary responsibility involves daily inspections and leak detection. My workday is spent traversing valleys, mountains, and fields. Wading through water and climbing hills is just part of the routine. It gets especially challenging, and even dangerous, during rain or snow. In the past, we could only complete about 80% of our 14-day inspection cycle. However, since introducing drone-based MetScan inspections, we can now complete a full cycle in just 8 to 10 days. This has significantly boosted our overall efficiency and lightened the pressure of our daily workload.